Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your video with CapCut template. So if you are too lazy to edit your clips, you can use the CapCut template, and here's how to use it. First, you just need to open the CapCut apps and then go straight to the template tab at the bottom, and here you can just explore and choose the template that you want to use to edit the video. So for example, I'm going to use this templates right here. So just click on the use template and then choose the clips to fill in the template. So for example, I'm going to just select this, click on preview after that, and now you'll see this is the preview of the templates. Okay, and after that, if you like with the result, just click on export and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.